Hi, and welcome to Miss B's classroom. Today we're going to be learning about lesson 10.4, which is learning how to make two-way frequency tables. All right, so first we have to start off with some vocabulary. The first thing is a two-way table. All right. So, what is a two-way table? A two-way table is a table of frequencies. Okay, used to organize data, but it's used to organize data that pertains to different categories. So basically, let's say I am doing a survey of some sorts. A two-way table would allow me to list all the different categories that I want and display it for me in a way that's not only organized but easily allows me to calculate the data that I want. Okay, so what is the frequency? Okay, frequency of an item is basically the number of times the item occurs. All right, so when I'm looking at it, how often does it happen? We use frequency in English and write. Frequently, she went to the store. Frequently, she goes to Dunkin' Donuts in the morning. That would be a way to describe Miss B. She frequently loses her papers or something like that. You can use frequently. So the number of times something occurs. And usually when we're talking about frequency outside math, we say it happens fairly often. In math, it's just how often does it happen. All right. So let me erase this because we're running out of room. And there's one more definition we need to go over, and that is the relative frequency. So I'll go over this a little bit in our table, and I think it'll make more sense. But relative frequency is this. Okay. It's the ratio, the ratio of a frequency, helps if Miss B spells it correctly, to the value of the corresponding row total. Okay, or the corresponding column total. Or the total population. Okay? Oh, and I'm sorry, the total population. All right, so relative frequency is kind of honing in on one area. We're either going to look at a row, which is our horizontal, a column, which is up or down, or we're going to be looking at the total population. All right, I'll give you one more second to write this down. Okay, So how do we go about making these frequency tables? It's actually not as hard as you may think. You just have to put in data that has been collected into a nice, neat table. All right, kind of like the one I have here. And you want to make sure that it's organized and easy to read and that you can calculate the totals easily. So let me read the situation to you on your notes. It says, making a frequency table. 50 students were surveyed about their favorite flavors of ice cream. Ice cream. 4 boys and 8 girls chose chocolate as their favorite flavor. 2 boys and 9 girls chose Rocky Road as their favorite flavor. 8 boys and 4 girls chose vanilla as their favorite flavor. And 12 boys and 3 girls chose strawberry as their favorite flavor. Make a two-way table of the frequencies of the data. According to the survey, what is the most popular flavor? So we have to figure this out. So first we have to choose our categories. So I'm going to divide my categories up into boys and girls, since they said for each flavor this many boys and this many girls. So I'm going to say here boys, and then here I'm going to write girls, and then I want to know the total, both boys and girls. Alright, the next thing I want to do is I want to use the different categories. Well, what were they, stating? What did these numbers mean? What was the flavors of ice cream? So I'm going to go ahead and list them. So the first one they gave us was chocolate. All right. Then Rocky Road. Then vanilla. And strawberry. Miss B is going to have to rewrite this. Strawberry. Alright. So here are the 4 flavors. Then I'm also going to make totals for across. Okay? How many boys liked each of the flavors, how many girls liked each of the flavors, and how many of each were surveyed. Alright? So this two-way, our horizontal and our horizontal rows and our vertical columns will give us a lot of information, and we can pull out anything we want. Alright, so let's go back. 4 boys and 8 girls like chocolate. 4, 8, that's a total of 12. 2 boys liked Rocky Road. 9 girls chose Rocky Road. That's a total of 11. 8 boys liked vanilla, and 4 girls chose vanilla. That's a total of 12. And then 12 boys chose strawberry. 3 girls chose strawberry. That's a total of 15. So then I'm going to look. So now I could tell you how many boys chose chocolate as their favorite, how many of the girls, how many total of the boys and girls chose it. But in this way, I can also do my totals. So 12 plus 10 is 22, plus 4 is 26. Total boys participated in the survey. How many girls were there? Well, 7 plus 9 is 16. 16 plus 8 is 24 girls participated in the survey. Well, how many boys and girls participated in the survey? 12 plus 12 is 24. 24 plus 26 is going to give me 50. Okay? So now I have all this information nice and neat in a chart for me. So let's go back to our original question in 1. It says, make a two-way table of frequencies of the data. According to the survey, what is the most popular flavor of ice cream? The most popular flavor of ice cream, I'm going to look at the totals here of the ice cream. Which one has the biggest total? Strawberry does. Which I think it's kind of weird. I think it should be chocolate, but that's my own personal opinion. Might be kind of biased. Strawberry has 15. Okay, this Chocolate only has 12, Rocky Road only has 11, and vanilla only has 12. Strawberry has the 15, so strawberry is our most popular flavor. Okay, pretty easy. All right, so now we want to look at what is a relative frequency table. And this is on the back side of your sheet. So if you want to flip your paper over, you can go ahead and do so. All right, so a relative frequency table. Let's read what it says here. It says, to decide a school decal, it means like a logo. So like we are the Spartans, I believe, here at Penndale. So kind of the logo for that. The principal surveyed students about their favorite colors and shapes. The frequency table showed the following results. Is there evidence that the students who like blue are more likely to like a round decal than a triangle one? All right. Whoa. So this is a big question that's going to take up more time than my video allows. So I'm going to pause this one, and then you're going to go ahead and go to video 2, and we will finish this question.